The GSI 39 is not designated as a sterile device. Non-disposable parts of the system, including headphone cushions and the probe, which are in direct contact with the patient, need to be disinfected between patients. This includes physically wiping down the parts that come into contact by using a disinfectant approved by your facility. Use of a non-alcohol-based disinfectant is recommended. Non-alcohol-based products, which contain the active ingredient referred to as quaternary ammonia compound, or a hydrogen peroxide-based cleaner may be used. Both disinfectants are specifically designed to disinfect rubber, plastic, silicone, and acrylic products, which are commonly used in hearing evaluation instruments.